guys doing? Yeah, welcome back to Shege and Mas TV. So this evening, guess what we are going to be doing? I'm just making pounded yam, correct pounded yam in microwave. How many people know how to make pounded yam in microwave? It's not common. A lot of people don't know that you can actually make pounded yam in microwave. So I'm just going to take you through the process, okay? So you can already know how to make pounded yam in microwave, okay? It's a very easy step. To all my host subscribers, you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for keep coming back to me. And to all the new ones, thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. You are all welcome. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Please, if you are just watching my video for the first time, please do me a favor. Don't just go away like that. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? We are one family and let's grow this YouTube channel together. We actually want this YouTube channel to be very big, you know. At the end of this year, if I can get my 1,000 subscribers, I'll be very happy. I'll be strongly so hard to get these subscribers, but by the grace of God, we will get there. Okay, so I'll take you through the process and all that. If you like this video and you think it really encourages you, please give this video a thumbs up. Help me to share this video and also like this video, okay? And if you don't really understand anything along the way, leave me a comment and I will explain to you how you are going to do it. It's a very easy one. You will see how I do it, okay? Love you guys, okay? To all the new subscribers, thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really love you guys, okay? I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I thank you so much for watching my video. It's not easy for you to just be watching somebody's video that you have never known, you have never seen her, and you just develop that love and say, let me be watching this person's video. God will bless you guys. God will bless you. The way you lift me up in this YouTube channel, God will continue to lift you up also. May the strength of God never leave you. May the strength of God always be with you in the name of Jesus Christ. So stay tuned and watch how we make our pounded yam. Okay? So this is after 2 minutes, okay? So this is how it looked like at the moment. So I'm just going to massage it. Make sure I massage it very good. The only way you can know that this pounded yam is well cooked, that is when everything is now folding up together. Okay? So I'm going to put it in the microwave for another 2 minutes, okay? So this is actually the second time for 2 minutes. I'm just going to massage it around. It's just the same thing like if you make pounded yam on the gas, okay? It's the same thing. As you can see the way the thing is folding. Watch the way it's folding. What do you think about this pounded yam? It's just exactly the same way, the same look when you make it in the gas, okay? It's very nice and beautiful, and it has a starch on it. So when you are doing it in the microwave, make sure you have to watch out for it, okay? If it's not like if you don't see the sign like it has a starch, know that it's not well cooked, okay? So this one is really cooked and it's ready to eat, as you can see.